Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i support wireless charging? In front of me I have wireless charging station, it connected to the power, it works. I will prove it for you later. Now, we should put these earbuds at the wireless charging station. And right now we have no LED light at the charging station, but the most important that we have it on the front side, the charging case, meaning that your earbuds are not charging. So my short answer is no. Because of that, it also doesn't support reverse wireless charging from your phone, even if your phone supports this technology. Now, to prove it for you that this charging station works, I can put my phone on it, and as you can see it starts charging, but it's not charging these earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.